So we are sitting now in my dining room in my house here in Switzerland, and yeah, there are so many places to go. The world is beautiful, the world is amazing, and I would love to see so many places around. Next trip I go to Malaysia. We hopefully go also to Tokyo, Singapore, Thailand, different places we're working on actually. There is the next Mexico and Brazil tour. We're working on some American dates. And of course for my new album Sky's the Limit, which is out on the 25th of January 2013, we do a lot of European dates because the album is coming out here first. So wherever you want me, tell the club owners to book me and I come.